So I got my order of Box Navy switches in today. These have a thicker click bar than the pale blue and the box white. So let me see if I can actually show you that. So there's the click bar on the Box Navy. And here's the click bar on the pale blue. You can see that the Box Navy is a bit thicker, and that actually changes a lot. It doesn't seem like it would, but this is the sound of the pale blue. This is the sound of the box white. And then here is the navy. It's a lot deeper, it's a lot more tactile. It just feels like a complete different switch, even though not much has changed. So I plan on building this DZ60 in a T&C case with these Box Navy switches. I've been waiting for them for a while just because I really wanted to use these in this board. They feel pretty amazing, they're heavy. So I will probably upload a video of me building this board, programming it, and doing all that stuff, and then I'll upload a comparison of this board with the Box Navies to my GH60 Satan with box whites, so you'll be able to hear the difference of the switches with keycaps and a plate and all that stuff.